put that mindset. You're not visitors. And a lot of times we say, I'm a Korean American, Filipino-American. I tell my son graduated from college. He joined the U.S. Army. I told my son, you're not Korean American. I told my son, it's American Korea. America first. We are Americans. Okay? I know there's an anti-Asian hate going on. It is wrong. Period. I want to thank Michael doing this self-defense. I'm a Taekwondo student, but I didn't know there are many different self-defense. I hope I get to learn something new.
You all are integral to our community, and you are not in any way looked at as second citizens or anything like that. You're Americans. These fine gentlemen here are going to train you on some very acute techniques. Okay? When I say acute techniques, I'm talking about when things have come really close to you and you're in imminent danger. Okay? They have a very specific skill set that they're going to teach you, but I want to teach you about the stuff that's up here. And a lot of this is going to come across as common sense, but with a lot of today's technology, sometimes we forget about using our common sense.
According to statistics, crimes against Asians, actually, just in general, violent crime in this country has actually gone down. But violent crime against Asians in the Asian community has actually gone up 150%. That's real, you can look it up. So again, given this information, what can we do to better prepare ourselves for violence? And again, it's violence. I have to say that word over and over again because if you see violence, you need to recognize it, right? Okay. Walk backwards. Position yourself going backwards. Keep your hands up. Just get into that habit. All right, do it again. Go. Do it again. Go. Nice. You got heels on. I can actually do what we call a gunting scissor move motion, right? And then I will close in on this position here. Okay. Notice my hands should need to be in a position because if I turn this guy, all right, here, I should be able to assess my strength. I know where you are. He's here, right? And then he can't. There's no martial where he can fight from this position. Right. If I decide to take him to the ground from the beginning, here, and I bring him here, I spin him. When I bring him down to the ground, now what? Not only am I at the advantage now, I can see everything. While I'm running, I'm training my body to identify an angle on this first move I hit. And this follows all the way through. That's the move that myself. That's the first move right here. All right. Off this maneuver, I can hook him with a punch this way and bring it down this way, this position. And then we have the locks here, right? Then we start running this. We start hitting it. Okay. So watch this smash.
There you go.
Ooh, yeah, that's what I like to do. So if I hit him here and he falls, he turns this way, look what that opens up. So when I hit this guy, he goes, oh, and he turns this way. That's it. Slap him across, and plunge that into the back.